All right, it's Mr. Charles once more, and we're still on this WASSCE Mathematics Core 1 matter. All right, we're on to number 5 now. Remember, number 4 was on direct variation. Yep, and we got 180 as our answer, and that was option C. Okay, so we're on to number 5 now, and number 5 says it's a logic question. It says, which of the following is a valid conclusion from the premise? Okay, so we're given a premise and we're supposed to draw a valid conclusion from that premise, and we're going to draw that conclusion by checking the options. Okay, which one is correct? Okay, now conclusions follow from a premise. They are based on your understanding of what the premise says. Now this premise simply says Nigerian footballers are good footballers. Okay, another premise could sound like African women are beautiful. Okay, so that would imply if one is an African lady, an African woman, then she would be beautiful, right? Okay, now okay, well, why that may be debatable. Let's look at the premise we have right in front of us. All right, now Nigerian footballers are good footballers. Okay, now let's check the conclusion in A. Does it mean if a man called Joseph plays football in Nigeria, therefore he's a good footballer? Joseph plays football in Nigeria, therefore he's a good footballer. Joseph is a good footballer, therefore he's a Nigerian footballer. Okay, that sounds pretty wrong. Okay, now let's see. We need to really examine them. Joseph is a Nigerian footballer, therefore he is a good footballer. Joseph plays good football, therefore he is a Nigerian footballer. All right. Okay, so let's look at the premise one more time. Nigerian footballers are good footballers. Okay, so now the premise doesn't say Nigerian footballers are the only good footballers. That would suggest that D is right. Okay, so Joseph plays good football, therefore he's a Nigerian footballer, would imply that it's only Nigerian footballers that are good footballers, and that's not true. Okay, at least we know the Germans, we know the Brazilians, we know the Englanders, we even know the Chileans, okay, the Ghanaians, and some others. All right, now let's look at C one more time. Joseph is a Nigerian footballer, therefore he is a good footballer. Yeah, I think C would be our choice. All right, Joseph is a good footballer, therefore he's a Nigerian footballer. Would simply be saying yeah, all good footballers must be Nigerian. Okay, all right, he may not be a Nigerian footballer. Okay, Joseph playing football in Nigeria doesn't mean he's a Nigerian. Okay, he could be playing football, he could be an American playing football in Nigeria. That doesn't necessarily make him a good footballer, going by the premise we have. So C would be our correct option. All right, Joseph is a Nigerian footballer, therefore he's a good footballer. Now if you have any doubts as to whether this is correct, please let me know in the comments below this video. Okay, then we can talk it out and debate it if it needs to be debated, but I'm just following the premise and I think my judgment is correct. All right, Joseph is a Nigerian footballer, therefore he is a good footballer. All right, thank you very much. Now join me on the next video where we'll be looking at number 6, which looks pretty good. It's one of maps and scales. It's one of my favorites. So see you in the next video.